this is Divakar Jha as a welding solution engineer in KMP India. So now we will do a robotic welding program with the help of Kuka robot and our A7 robotic MIG power source. So first of all, we will go in this configuration. After that, user group, then administration, then we put a password. So we logged in. So after the logged in, there is, you can see this kind of display here and interface here, and after that we can program here, so that as per our program this robot will run and make a particular weld bead. So here it is a starting home position, this is also home position, so in between we will do a program. So for that we go I'm going here, and after that we are moving this point. So yes, it should be green always. When it will be green, display will be green, then only movement is possible. So it is the home position. After that I am moving here. So this is suppose second point. So in the second point we will go in this option of motion, and then it is command OK. So now we will move downward. So it is the particular point. So here you can reduce the travel speed from this button. From this button you can reduce the travel speed to initiate the arc on time, arc on point. So it is here. It is the point where we will make the arc on for the ignition of the arc. So for that we will go in the command option. After that, this is the arc on option. So after the arc on option, we will make it command OK. Before this, we will select the channel option. It is channel 0, and it is the wait time after ignition is also 0. Then it is the second point where the robotic velocity we can put here. So it is 0.804, that is 804 mm per minute. So we put here the command OK button. So it is the starting point of the arc ignition. Now this is the end point. So here we will again go in the command button. So after that it is the arc off option here. So we will put here the arc off option. After that this is the linear motion from one point to another point. So now we will make it command OK. So this is the arc off position, you can see here. So after that, if you want to off the arc, then we can the off arc handle here. But if you want to keep continue in the circular path, then you need to continue this path in circular motion. So we will delete this point because I want to make it circular, so we deleted this point. And yes, here also there will be a linear path we will create at this point. For that we will go in the switch button. Switch means intermediate path. So after the switch option, there is also channel option, then command OK. So it is also the linear path. So after that we will make circular. So this is another point is here. So for the circular path we will go again in the command button. After that this is the switch option. There is, we want to select here, instead of linear it should be circular. So now it is circular. Now we will go in the tech auxiliary. This is the first point, so it is the teach auxiliary. So after that we will select the second point here. So it is the second point. So it is the teach end point. So after that we will make it command OK, and after that you can again put here. So that is the command option, then arc switch, then circular, then teach auxiliary point. Another point is another point is teach in point, then command OK. So it is the circular, you can see here the particular circular curve here. And now if you want to off that arc, then you will go in the command option, then it is the arc off option. So it get in the linear, it get command OK, it get off. So we will move this particular point in the air, so it is point to point motion, then it will go in the motion option, then command OK. So we can see here actually the which kind of projection, which kind of motion is given by the robot as per the program. So you can see here the path of the motion of the robot. So it is the path of the motion of the robot. So during the dry run you can see the path of the motion of the robot. So it is the path of the motion of the robot, you can see here. So it is now in the straight line. So it is circular path. Now I get off, then in the particular air, now in the home position. So we will actually do the welding in the automatic, through the automatic robotic welding process. So we will, there is a T1, it is the manual, so we will convert it in the auto. So now it is in the auto. Okay, so after that we will press this hot welding, means for the arc ignition you need to ignite this button. After pressing this, so now we will press this button 2 times, then it will automatically start. You can see the robotic. Thank you all my dear friends for watching this video.